Great.
Good evening. I'm going to share with you today that we made a lot of momo this lunch today, and we had quite a bit of leftovers. And my kids love this kind of, I would say, sautéed or not really deep fried, kind of fried momo with all the vegetables. So this is a new twist for your leftover momo. Of course, you know, when you make momo, you make tons of it. So I had tons of it. So I'm gonna share with you how I do this. That way, you know, your kids are eating all the vegetables too. So once you cook your momo, and I do have a recipe from a scratch on YouTube video that you can follow on how to make momo. And then you just put a little bit of olive oil, and then just in the non-stick pan, it's already cooked. You're just making it a little crispier. So in a medium heat, you can see these are already almost done, but this one I just want you to see it. You just put a little bit of olive oil, and then you just leave it there for like maybe each side a minute. You can see this side is almost ready, and it becomes like a deep fry, but then you're not using a whole lot of, like a teaspoon of olive oil will make about 20 of this. And then you get your onion, green pepper, garlic, the ginger, and then you cut into bite-sized pieces, onion, garlic, ginger, all that. And then again, use about a teaspoon of olive oil here also, and then put a pinch of salt, and then I use hoisin sauce, a tablespoon of hoisin sauce, tablespoon of low sodium soy sauce, some red pepper flakes, and if you don't like red pepper flakes, you can use black pepper flakes. You can use some jalapeno, and you don't have to use any pepper. And again, you know, teaspoon of olive oil. Then you saute your vegetables together. And again, you know, you can eat these raw, so you don't have to saute more than maybe a minute. And then here you go, new twist to your momo, that a leftover momo that you can have this for Saturday morning brunch. Of course, the whole idea is to eat vegetables with it also. And then I made some tomato achaar here that I made like that too, because I'm so traditional with momo that I like my own traditional steamed momo. But this is something that your kids will like it, and you're also having it with the vegetables. So just put that together, and then just have generous amount of your vegetables. You can put it on the top, you can put it on the side. See all the juice and everything. My kids just love this, so I make it quite frequently. Thank you for watching my YouTube. Please share, subscribe, and like it.